Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated. First, Taurus says, we are here to do a reading for y'all, for us, cross watchers included. You are all welcome to be here. You should be here. You could be here. So, you get the pass. 3-card drawing gonna hold you long. We're starting it off with the 7 of Cups in reverse, followed by the King of Pentacles in reverse, followed by the King of Torches. Now look, let's keep it a bean right out the gate. You've been kind of like flipped upside down on your head like the King of Pentacles is in reverse. Reason being is because you have let people sap you of your energy. And naturally, you are the personality type that gives, that shares. Because, not for nothing, the universe looks out for you because you do your due diligence, is what I'm hearing. You're diligent. So, you get rewarded for being diligent. But what happened here is that onlookers seen you as a stable pillar, right? So it's kind of like some people around you felt like they didn't have to grow up or some shit like that. Or they didn't have to carry responsibility to the degree of becoming fulfilled, to the degree of maturing, to the degree of at least trying to reach your level. And it's because, and even if this is like subconsciously with them, they may not even be fully aware of it, but they're doing it because they know you, or they have access to you. But not only they have access to you, you give them access. So you know should this reading resonate, if it don't apply, let it fly, but you know who these people are that I'm talking about. And these people, I'm not going to say they're family, I'm not going to label them, but you also have people who are in different groups, like they're not relatives, so they could be scattered. You'll have 1 or 2 people that are not relatives that somehow cling on to you or depend on you in some type of way. Then you got some relatives that do the same thing. And then you got some friends of friends who do the same thing. Out of nowhere, they'll call you for something, da-da-da-da-da. And again, you're a sharing, giving person. Your motto is, I know I'm going to get it. You know what I'm saying? Like, regardless, or whatever the case may be. But what's rubbing you the wrong way at this time, Taurus, is you have creative talents. And you're putting them on the back burner. You're letting your dreams get away from you. You're letting your dreams seep away and slip away. And it's because, not only because of this patience that you possess with yourself, but it's really because you're distracted by everyone else. Bars, I'm nice, we know that already. You're being distracted as soon as you start thinking about something that you're creatively well at, good at, someone with something enters your life, and all of a sudden that becomes the topic of the day. And the universe is saying that has to stop. That has to stop. Don't be fearful that you won't find new friends, is what also was being communicated to you. In fact, the change that's needed, and this may rub you the wrong way, Taurus, but the change that's needed is your friend group, is your circle of friends. How do you know how to do it? I would say this is how you can use better discernment. Not necessarily show you how, but your discernment is going to come with the frequency of people that tap in with you when you're being creative. If you're being distracted by other people who got gossip, who got personal life issues, got baby mama, baby father drama, they're in the courts for this, they just got locked up for that, they got a DUI, they was driving without a license and all that shit, like, what are you doing, B? Why are you having those conversations? I'm even asking, why are you having those conversations? They are obsolete. And I feel like you feel this right now. Like, you know this because that whole noble, grounded, giving nature does not feel good right now. It doesn't. And this is what is going to turn you into this king of torches, because the reason why the whole noble approach isn't working anymore is because you didn't fully study the mysteries of the universe, which entails, just like I said, even if people come across as subconsciously not being aware that they depend on you, that can be how the universe works. It's like mysterious bots in your life put there in a video game to see if you're going to keep repeating life on that level instead of just going to fight the boss. So now that you're made aware of this, like, anybody can be suspect. You're going to start moving and taking action with firm knowledge of, these people don't really need what I have. These people don't need me to share with them. What they need is to be more self-reliant. What they need is to be more dependable on themselves first. And then they'd be more comfortable having creative conversations with me. But because they're not, I can't have those types of conversations with them. So guess what? My dreams suffer. My dreams are stagnant while I'm the support pillar that's enabling the behaviors of people that are around me. And then you're going to take this knowledge and you're going to take off with a firm grip pause, because I know that's crazy work. And you're just going to go after what it is that you want and that you deserve and that you desire. Point blank, period. But make sure that you're honest with yourself and others that you encounter, not in a malicious way, but if someone warrants the energy of saying, hey, and you can't dodge it, or like, you're acting different, or I needed you to be around at 6 o'clock and you wasn't there, you got to tell them, like, yo, listen, be selective when you do this, but it's just like, yo, listen, I got stuff to do. Like, 2025 is not going to be like 2024 for me. I'm sorry. You're not the only person that I'm telling this. Everyone's going to get this wake-up call. Everyone's going to get this work. That's all I got for y'all.